awesome fam, Adam's Apple here again, back with another how-to video. Now for the following video, I'll show you how to check if your Facebook is eligible for monetization. So yes, the answer to your question is correct. Yes. There is monetization at Facebook, people. Obviously, we all know that our videos can be monetized or we can earn something at YouTube, and the good news is that our videos can get monetized at Facebook as well. Now, first things first is that you need to have a Facebook page. So it's not your personal Facebook account. You need to have a Facebook business page or an actual page. Now in the following video, I'll show you how to check for monetization eligibility. So stay tuned so that you'll know how to meet, if your Facebook page meet the criteria or not, okay? Thank you. So as I've mentioned earlier, you have to have a Facebook page. So as you can see right now, this is my Facebook personal account. So what we need to do is go to one of my Facebook pages. So we'll click on that, and then you will see this homepage of your Facebook page, right? Now what you need to do is go to here, Publishing Tools. So you click or you tap on the Publishing Tools section, and then you will see this page. So you will see all the videos that I've shared via that page, via my Facebook page. So what you need to do is go here to the Creator Studio. So click on the Creator Studio option, and it will open another tab on your browser. And we'll wait for it. My laptop is thinking. And then you will see the home page of the Creator Studio. So that's how it looks like. So then you will see this part here, Ad Breaks Access, this one, and then see if you're eligible to earn money from your videos with ad breaks. And then there's an option here that says check eligibility. So that's where you need to go. So you click on that, and then you choose the Facebook page that you want to check the eligibility for monetization is, and here we go. So pretty much the first requirement is that your Facebook page should have at least 10,000 followers. So the page needs to have a minimum of 10,000 followers. Now as you can see here, my page is still not eligible. That's why it has the red or the X option here. The second requirement is that 1 minute views for 3-minute videos in the last 60 days. So pretty much those are the requirements for your Facebook page to be eligible for monetization. So first you need to work on your followers, or the likers of your Facebook page. Then after that you work on your videos. So you check it here, that it says here that the content currently meets the standards, and then also that the monetization is eligible for my country. So pretty much that's how you check for eligibility for Facebook monetization. Hope to see you on my next how-to video, and thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just put it on the comment section below, and I'll make sure to answer any of those. Thank you. Bye. Stay awesome, everybody.